Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Google Analytics and your Unbounce account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you remove your Google Analytics from your Unbounce account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Google Analytics from your Unbounce account anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you installed the wrong property and it's messing up your data for another one of your websites. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Unbounce account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Unbounce account and this is the home screen. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and choose the correct URL if you have more than one by clicking on this little arrow. You can see I just have this one. And once you are working in the correct account, you're going to click on settings down here on the left. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see another drop-down menu. And to remove your Google Analytics, you need to click on Script Manager. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see whatever scripts you've already added into your Unbounce. You can see I just have the Google Analytics. And off to the right here, you're going to see a gear icon with a downward arrow. Go ahead and click on there. And you have two options, disable or delete. So I'm not sure why you would want to pause the Google Analytics. You can do that right here by disabling it, and you can re-enable it later. I can't really think of a situation you might want to do that. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and just delete script. Okay, now you get a warning from Unbounce saying that you're about to delete the script from all of the pages in this URL. If you're okay with that, click on OK. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that Google Analytics script has been removed from all of the pages in this domain URL up here on the left. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to unlink or remove your Google Analytics from your Unbounce landing pages, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.